Hi guys! Today is National Waffle Day, and what better way to celebrate than making some red velvet waffles using the Foodstirs vanilla cake mix. I started out by preheating my oven to 350 degrees and combined eggs, milk, butter, and Greek yogurt into a large bowl. I gave that a good stir and slowly added in the Foodstirs cake mix. I also added in some red food coloring to make that perfect red velvet color. And this was my first attempt, a complete fail, but then I realized that you just need a small dollop and they turn out perfect like this. I mean, look how amazing they look. My mom decided she wanted whipped cream and sprinkles on her waffle. My sister wanted chocolate chip bananas and powdered sugar. And I decided to do just some icing. These turned out so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed these as much as I did.